So here. Oh my god. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back. I'm Diva if you were new here. As you can see, just finished getting ready because I have a Pilates mat at 10. So it's already 9:15. I'm gonna pack the things that I want to bring, and then we go downstairs to eat light breakfast before we head to the Pilates studio. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you along for today's video. So let's go. So here's my today's outfit. I'm covering my top with this knit sweater. I'm wearing this flare legging. I love this. And then I'm wearing like a tank top underneath the sweater and my tote bag. So let's go. So I just back at home and it's already 3:46. Today was like so fun. It's a sunny day. It's a beautiful day. I did my very first infrared heated Pilates. That was so much fun. I love it. And also I checked my family business and I went to some shops to find a good chairs for the business that I'm running in. I had my lunch at one of the restaurants in Ubud. That was a double dragon temple. Their noodle was so yum. And also I picked up my PR packages. So I have these two packages arrived today. So let's unbox it together. So the first package is from Scarlet. It is actually a collaboration product that I need to create the video. It is actually, I think it's like a body serum. I actually have their body serum before. Let's see what's inside. Is it like the same that I had or is it different? So I got this two body serum, fragrance brightening body serum. The pink is the Velvet Rouge and the other one is Dreamy. I actually love their Velvet Rouge variant. The smell is so good. I haven't tried their Dreamy one, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good too. So yeah, this is from Scarlet. We're moving on to the other package. This is so huge. Actually, this is from Korea. As we can see, the box says its name, Medicube. I love their products. So let's see. Oh my god, look at this. They sent me a bunch of their products. It's even so much more in there. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so it is so many. Let's see what products they send me. The first one is Medicube PR and Pink Peptide Serum. Actually, I think I have this one. Let's see inside. Ooh, yeah, it's the same serum that I am using currently. It's so good. I usually use this serum every night, like once in 2 or 3 days, because I have like my cycling skincare session. The other one is Medicube 3H Relief Cream. This is my very first time to see this relief cream. Kojic acid turmeric niacinamide serum. Oh, I think it's for brightening because as I know, turmeric is so good for skin and for the overall health. So excited to try this. Oh, actually they're not sending me only like the Medicube products but also April Skin. This is my very first time like seeing the April Skin in real life because I only see them in like on the internet. IPMP clearing solution. This is like a cream or moisturizer. Medicube hypochlorous acid daily facial spray. Wow. Ooh, it's like a spray. Need to do some research before I use them. April Skin, which is so heavy. Mugwort Centella Calming Serum. Wait, I need to open this. So cute. Next, PDRN Pink Collagen Glow Jelly Mist Serum. You guys, recently I love products with PDRN. I don't know. It just like makes my skin looks so glowy and kind of healthy. You see that? Like it's kind of jelly. How to apply it? So it is like serum and mist in one bottle. So it's like pump it. Medicube Kojic Acid Turmeric Vita Capsule Cream. So the first one is the serum and this one is their cream. It's gonna be a perfect pair. Next, we have Medicube Zero Pore Pad. Actually, I have this one before. I have like a restock of it. And then we have the April Skin Real Calendula Peel Off Pack. Peel Off, is it mask? I think it's mask. Interesting. April Skin Vita Kojic Brightening Serum as well. So we have like the mugwort calming, the calming serum. And then the yellow one is the brightening serum. Collagen Jelly. I also had this one, I guess. Yeah, it is. Hero All Day Plumping Lip Stain from April Skin. Plum and Stay Color. Just wipe off. What is it? It's in pink. Oh my god. The color is like gold. Can you see it? Ooh. You just watch it a little bit and I'm gonna wait what will happen. Let's see. Oh, this is the last one. April Skin Keratin Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. Ooh, I love cleansing balm. I love cleansing oil. Definitely I will use it. And then we got their jelly brush from Medicube for the mask. And that's it. I'm so happy. Wait, after a few seconds, and then I just like scrub it a little bit, and they have like a red stain in here. It's gonna be good for the lip. Interesting. It's so good though. It's giving like red pinkish color. So pretty. Alright, so that's it about the packages that we got for today. I feel like every time I receive a product from brands, I always pinch myself that am I dreaming? I think it's been like a dream for me to become content creator, to become like who I am right now, and I am truly grateful for everything. I'm truly feeling like I'm blessed with everything that I have today, with everything that I achieved, and I'm so grateful for everything. And actually the reason why I received the Medicube package is because a couple days ago or a week ago, I don't remember, I registered myself as one of their Medicube Pro ambassador. So I got accepted to be one of their Medicube Pro ambassadors. I'm so happy with that. So that's why they just like send me their products as a welcome kit. And I'm so excited for it, and I'm truly grateful for everything. Also, today was such a beautiful day. I love this kind of sunny weather. I love sunny and then rains because I don't know, I just feel like my energy is so powerful. I just need to be productive when the sun is out, because every time it rains I feel like I don't want to do something. So, and I feel like I did quite a lot of things that I did. Started strong with move my body, checking in the business, had some amazing lunch, met my friends, doing chit chat with people and everything, just like to see the world outside my room, outside the house. So, you know, kind of socializing. So I love this kind of typical day when I don't feel like in a rush. I just want to have like a slow morning. And actually today is not as busy as yesterday or the days before. Today I just need to edit some video for the content, and that's basically it. And after this I'm going to continue my work and do my evening routine. And I also want to say thank you so much, you guys, for following me today. I am so happy, I'm so grateful, and thank you so much for your support and love through every video that I post. I am feeling so loved. I'm so happy and grateful for that. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.